How to buy Bitcoin in South Africa. Follow these simple steps to purchase BTC instantly and securely. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for Bitcoin. Enter your desired amount and tap Continue. Choose your preferred payment method. For this example, we'll use Google Pay, then select your preferred provider. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Why is Zengo the best place to buy Bitcoin? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, 3-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. Is it legal to buy Bitcoin in South Africa? Yes, it is legal to buy Bitcoin in South Africa. You can buy, sell, trade, spend, receive, and store Bitcoin without legal restrictions. Is it safe to buy Bitcoin on Zengo? Yes, Zengo uses advanced MPC security, biometric recovery, and verified payment providers to ensure a secure and seamless experience. Can I buy Bitcoin on Zengo without verification? No. Purchasing Bitcoin on Zengo requires identity verification to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC regulations. Can I buy Bitcoin under 18? Zengo works with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant and follow the AML and KYC rules. You must be at least 18 years old and provide a valid ID to verify your identity and age before you can buy Bitcoin or any other crypto assets. How long does it take to buy Bitcoin on Zengo? Purchases complete within a few minutes, depending on the payment method, and your Bitcoin will appear in your wallet almost immediately. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.